Hello, I'm Mr. Wiley. I'm one of the welding instructors here at Jeff State. I've been teaching welding here at Jeff State for 4 years at the Jefferson campus. Prior to that, I've taught in the secondary education and in the career tech field. I have spent over 20 years in the United States Navy as a welder, and I have worked in various industries throughout Alabama.
Hi, my name is Dale Acker. I'm a certified welding educator, certified welding inspector, and also an instructor here at Jeff State Community College at the Shelby Hooper campus. I've been teaching a little over 20 years at several places throughout the state before coming here. Prior to going into education, I was a pipe welder out of Local 372 in Tuscaloosa, where I had the opportunity to work on projects that went all over the world. I look forward to sharing those experiences with any of you and working with any of you that look forward to a career in welding. Please get in touch with me.
Hey, my name is Brody Scott. I'm a welding instructor as well as a certified welding inspector and a certified welding educator here at Jefferson State Community College. I got into welding after I got out of the military because I used my GI Bill to go back to school. I always enjoyed working with my hands. While I was in school, I was actually a lab assistant for my instructor. He always told me, hey, you work well with the students and they respond very well to you. I want you to consider a career in being a welding instructor. So I went into the field. I primarily worked on cranes, lattice boom cranes, as well as telescoping boom cranes, mainly structural things. Until he phoned me up one day and said, hey, I plan on retiring. I want you to apply for this job. So that's how I got into teaching. And now I've been teaching going into my 9th year. So it's been a reward for me. I really enjoy giving back and putting into other students and watching them grow and advance their careers. So if you want to be next, I look forward to working with you.